Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on cartooning and how to draw all sorts of different things. And today I'd like to give you some hints about drawing the face in a three-quarter view. Not forward, not profile, but three-quarter. And the tricky part generally for people are the features because they have to compress. So let's just give it a try with guidelines first, okay? We won't even have to put the outside of the face in at this point. How about just guidelines? This will be the eye line. The eyes will be here. It's nice and easy at first. You can darken it in later. So there's a basic idea for the eyes. Bridge of the nose, right here, just above the tear ducts. It comes way out here. But now look, it doesn't follow the guidelines, but it comes back to the guidelines. Right there. Let's put a little eyeball in here for fun. Give them an expression. And we'll bring this over the eye. The bridge of the nose curls back toward the eye. Let's give them a little surprised look. Like this. And watch what happens to the eyebrow. Curves up and pretty steeply goes like this. This one is much more relaxed. Now to make this work, we're going to have to work on the side, and I'll color it in a minute, darken it in. And what I mean by that is the eyes appear to get concave in here, the eye socket. Back out this way for the cheek. And that's the contour of the face. You could even put a little bit of nose back here, a little nostril, a little bit in shadow. I think we're ready to color that in. Okay, let's give it a try. This eye will be a little smaller, just a little smaller than the one on the left. Can you see that? One on the left is just a little bit longer because it's closer to us. Perspective says things that are closer look larger. There we go. And on the other side. Now also, here's something kind of interesting to notice, is that this eyebrow touches the edge and this one floats in the middle because this is just further over. I am going to change the expression a little bit, or I could just draw over that with something darker, which I will do, just because I think I'd like to open it up a little bit, make him a little more surprised. That's a long eyebrow, and this is not, because this is on the far side. Bring that bridge of the nose over here. You don't even have to complete it, but you need to come down for the tip of the nose. Most cartoons have the tip of the nose showing. Not all of them, but it's generally not a bad idea to do that. I'm going to bring the mouth up a little bit, make some adjustments as I go. Like this. Since I made the eyes pretty, just adjusted them up, I think I'll do the same with the lips. Let's bring this in. A little wrinkle here. And you don't have to put anything on this inside here. But sometimes it's not a bad idea to put a little bit of shadow here just to kind of define this. Instead of being flat, it's like a tube. Okay, that's the tip for three-quarter view cartoon faces. I hope you liked it. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Goodbye.